Refer to Caterpillar Service Manual Disassembly and Assembly. D8R and DAT track type tractor powertrain. Track roller, remove and install. Removal procedure. Loosen track. Refer to Operation and Maintenance Manual. Track, adjust for correct loosening and tightening procedures. Install tooling. A. Raise the side of the machine. Remove track guide 1 from the outside of the major bogie. Use tooling. B. Remove bolts 3 and caps 2. Use tooling. B and the suitable lifting device to remove double flange track roller 4 from the minor bogie. The weight of double flange track roller 4 is approximately 222 kilograms, 489 pounds. The weight of single flange track roller 5 is approximately 149 kilograms, 328 pounds. Note: mark the location of double flange track rollers 4 and single flange track rollers 5 for installation. Refer to Caterpillar Service Manual Disassembly and Assembly. Installation procedure. Install double flange track roller 4 and single flange track roller 5 in the reverse order of removal. Apply tooling. C to threads of bolts 3. Tighten bolt 3 on abutment side first. Tighten bolts 3 to a torque of 750 plus or minus 70 Nm, 553 plus or minus 51 pound-feet. Tighten bolts 1 to a torque of 485 plus or minus 15 Nm, 358 plus or minus 11 pound-feet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget like, comment, subscribe and share this video. See you in the next video.